We're gonna try to make some resin coasters we've seen online. We've got these little forms, silicone forms, and some stones. Let me show you the stones. I got these beach stones, and she's got these, whatever these are, glass pieces and some other things. So we're gonna attempt to make some resin coasters out of these. We don't really know what we're doing. We're just gonna try dumping it over top of these, and hopefully it'll work. If not, we can probably fix them, right?
Yeah.
Alright, so that's what we're gonna try to do. We're gonna use this stuff. Much more liquid. And it is a 1-to-1 blend. Alright. This stuff says to mix for 2 minutes, pour it into a different container, mix for another 2 minutes. Luckily we didn't mix too much. We almost didn't mix enough. Both of us put some of our stones too high. See those two white ones right there?
Yeah.
Right there, too high, but we'll try to adjust them. At least we didn't waste resin. That's the only thing I was concerned about. And now we gotta torch them. So many bubbles in there. I don't know how to get rid of them.
I think some of the bubbles, wow, you're so dark. Do some of the bubbles take care of themselves or no?
I don't know. Hopefully, I don't know if you can tell. Man, I don't know if you can tell, but there are a lot of bubbles. And these are awfully dark.
Yeah.
Hopefully the bubbles will work themselves up and then I can torch them out.
Should we pound it?
Here, bring yours over and let me torch them. Hers are very, very clear though. Still lots of bubbles in there.
Curious to know how people do it where it looks so clear and smooth.
Both of ours have these bubbles in there. I don't know how to get rid of them. The torch isn't working on them. They're too far down there. Hopefully they'll start rising and we continue to babysit it Yeah, they're rising right there. You can see the bubbles moving. I'll continue torching. We'll work on it, and we'll bring you back to see. We'll bring you back later. I don't know when. Now that our coasters are cured, there's a few issues. Jeanette's, I don't know if you can tell, the stones she put in stick out to the top, and the glass pieces. So they're useless. In the bottom we got bubbles that we didn't get. Like right in the corner there's a bubble hole. So I don't know. We're probably not going to do anything with these. There's nothing we can do. They aren't going to be stable if we flip them upside down. They'll rock around. And I can't sand these glass pieces and stuff. On top of that, I don't know if you can tell, but there are a ton of bubbles. We didn't do it in layers, which we should have, but you know, this is our first time doing it. If we would have done it in layers, we would have been able to keep the bubbles out. But mine have bubbles all over too. But at least the top's flat, so we're gonna try to sand this lip off. All of them. And maybe keep these ones to use. Just so many bubbles in it. So I guess we should have, look at the bottom, we should have put a layer in the bottom first, then put the stones in and let it cure, then do another layer, make sure all the bubbles are out, and maybe another layer after that, and it would have probably kept us from getting all the bubbles. It would have covered all the bottom. That stone is showing. And I got bubble holes in the bottom of this one. Next time,